Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then here we have to scroll down in order to find wallpaper and style. Here we've got the preview of our lock screen and the home screen. All we have to do basically is to tap on Change Wallpaper, but here a quick disclaimer: we can change the menu colors thanks to this wallpaper colors or basic colors. And this option is pretty cool because your device will simply take the colors from the wallpaper and apply them to the system. Of course, it's up to you if you want to use it or not. So let's tap on Change Wallpaper, as I said, and as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, My Photos, which is your gallery, and here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. So let me pick something from maybe textures. Let's scroll and check which wallpaper is pretty enough to pick it, or maybe this one. Simply tap on the wallpaper in order to check the preview. And as you can see, this is how it will look like on our home screen. As you can see, we can change also the position of the wallpaper, so you can pick the color you like the most. You can also check how it will look like on the lock screen. If you're happy with your choice, tap on the stick icon and you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen or both home and lock screens. So let me tap on this option. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.